Peke. How was it looking for you? Take us through.
Okay, for me, I think, first of all, Yabo, what's very important for me, I'd see le tactic le. So for me, I think I'd really like to see Umbata back in the team.
Yeah.
If you look at my selection.
Oh, this is a hectic one.
Yeah, if you look at my selection, I chose to not go with too many players that haven't played at Derby.
Okay.
If you've never played at Derby, to have 6 or 7 players that haven't played at Derby.
Welcome to Tiskitare, guys. Those were some of the great moments, things that made us love football. We're going to talk about the starting lineup, say Kaizer Chiefs and say Orlando Pirates. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Guys, Kalening is starting lineup, say Orlando Pirates. I think Sipho Chain. He's considered the least amount of goals this season. Yaqalu Chain, and then the back four of Orlando Pirates goes over Van Rooyen, go over Usiema, go over Usibisi, and then Hoto will come in at left back. Then in the midfield, that is where things are going to be very tight. It's going to be very tight. This is where the game is going to be won or lost. In the middle of the park, I think Orlando Pirates are going to solidify that midfield with experience. Makawulu Yangena, Udlalano Nomtajela, Nomaswangai. I think Maswanga is going to start ahead of Ulokuzan. I think Maswanga is going to go into that role, as you can see there. Moremi is going to start ahead of Apolis. It's going to be Apolis or Moremi, but I think the pace of Moremi and the goal scoring threat he is going to come into that position. And then I think Apolis won't be in the lineup. However, he's going to be used as an impact player coming from the bench. So the front three is Moremi, Mufokeng, and Mokhopa. Mufokeng, obviously, spectacular. He is a big game player. So I think Mufokeng uzongena lapayana into that position that he usually occupies on the right side of things, looking to cut in. And then Monyane will have to be very wary of Mufokeng. They know each other. They used to be teammates. So it's going to be a very interesting derby. Let's see whether Marco Monyane is going to. I know Paseka Marco is going to give the coaches a tip or two. That is the type of character he is, Ulokuzan Omako, whether he starts or not. However, guys, the big news is that probably Shinga could be set to make his Soweto Derby debut. Peterson is going to start in goal for Kaizer Chiefs. Monyane is going to play against his former teammates, his first Soweto Derby after leaving Orlando Pirates. That is Monyane. I don't think Solomon's had a good game in the last game. To justify starting ahead of Monyane, so they need to, Kaizer Chiefs needs to be solid. They need to be consistent at the back. Those are the co-coaches. They need to make consistent decisions. We know that Miguel is back from injury, so Miguel and Kunik are going to start for this one. And then I predict that Shinga is going to start ahead of Cross. We know that Cross is back from injury as well. So I think Shinga, remember guys, he traveled to Egypt with the team, so we know that Shinga could make his debut any day. And I think he is going to play Ushinga. He's going to start ahead of Omakathy. Is going to start ahead of Cross. Those two players, or those two defenders, are going to be on the bench. And then in the midfield, we're going to have Umtetwa. Umtetwa is also been training with the team for the past 2 weeks. So Umtetwa bayamdinga laphayana ukuthi izinto zibe solid in the middle of the park. And Mabowe, he has been a star, probably the best player at Kaizer Chiefs right now. That is Lebohang Mabowe. And then I think Chislet had a spectacular game against Stellenbosch. So Chislett definitely deserves to start this game. He almost scored on debut. And Orlando Pirates, we know them. They are very much an attacking team. This is going to be not so much of an open game, but both teams are going to have to be tactically disciplined, especially there in the middle of the park. That is where the game is going to be won or lost. So yeah, guys, that is my 2 cents worth. That's my opinion in terms of Laphayane win. And front three for Kaizer Chiefs, Ulilepo, I think Laphayana Uhoto will have to be very, very, very careful because Lokuzano Lilepo could cook him if he gives him space one-on-one. Lilepo is very good. I think Hoto is going to have to be on his toes. So yeah, Laphayana Pambilu, Modi and Lilepo are going to flank Da Silva. Da Silva, I think, is going to score in this game, but we will see, guys. Makgopa, we know that Makgopa, he is also a big game striker. So yeah, we don't know Da Silva how does he react. I haven't seen him against Mamelodi Sundowns. I haven't seen him against Orlando Pirates. However, he is a constant goal threat. That is Da Silva. Yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. That is all I have for you today. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. Cheers. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.